In this video, we're going to show you how you can turn off the text chat on Roblox. Keep in mind, you can follow these steps on both the mobile app and the website, so it doesn't really matter what you use. But before we go ahead and dive into this, if you do find it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe because it really does help out the channel. If you're no longer interested in using chat or you just want to disable it temporarily, here's how you can go ahead and do that. On a computer, go ahead and find this little gear icon in the top right corner of the Roblox site and go ahead and select settings. On the app, tap more from the bottom or side menu and then go to settings. Once you're in settings, these steps are nearly identical. Find the little privacy and content restrictions tab and open it up. And then find the communication section in here and go ahead and open it up, followed by experience chat. To actually disable the chat, go ahead and set experience chat to no one. Roblox is automatically now going to update direct chat to match so that they'll both be set to no one as well. But that's it. Now when you hop into a Roblox game, your Roblox text chat is going to be turned off no matter what. If you ever do want to turn it back on, just navigate to the same section and turn this back to everyone, and it's going to update both of these for you. But yeah, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and remember to like and subscribe for even more Roblox tutorials just like this. It really does help out the channel and helps us bring more content to you. Have a great day. Bye bye.